I don't think it's arguable that setting up a tent and camping out is a pretty frugal way to reach a fishing destination, but it doesn't hurt that this particular tent here is set up about 100 yards from the surf and about half a mile from Cape Point at Hatteras, North Carolina.
August, the other banks here, we were able to park at public access, walk right down here, and claim a 100-yard strip of beach as our own, even with the surfers here and there. And it is beautiful. Only problem is, we got out here started a little late, it's low tide. But we're going to get some fish up on the beach here in a minute. I can guarantee you that. This is a world-class surf fishing destination. What we're going to do here is I'm going to be using a standard fish finder rig. Bert's going to be fishing a couple bottom rigs. We're going to be using squid and finger mullet bait, cut finger mullet. We're going to see who fishes who. Have a little contest. Well, we know what's on the bottom. So Bert got that rig, and I've been getting a couple little bumps on the squid. I switched up from a kale hook to a circle hook and a shorter leader. I'm hoping these fish will go ahead. I'm thinking they're probably small, so I'm hoping they'll go ahead and set the hook on themselves with this circle hook I put on here. Let's see if I can't see what they are. Little spot, but hey, what are you gonna do? Little pigfish here, a little small, but still fun to catch. Real colorful. Hey, Robert! Come here real quick! I think you got a bite bud on that black rod. Go get it. Go reel it in. Quick, get that black rod! Reel, buddy, reel! Reel! Keep the line tight. Is he coming? You got one?
What is that?
It's a pompano.
What?
A pompano. Switching over to those circle hooks helped me identify the little fish that kept stealing my bait. And they turned into this little spot, little pigfish. I mean, they're fun to catch, but I'm looking for something a little bigger. And with this big sandbar laying in here, there's not many holes to fish in. Let's see if Bert wants to maybe try someplace else for this evening as the tide changes. Maybe we'll get into some bigger fish. Little school fish right there. See the bird there? Right there. Right there. Right. Bluefish! Yeah, down here where the birds were feeding. Nice. Nice size one too. Always pays to investigate bird action. want to head back to camp?
I think we call it.
Call it? Okay.
No.
We missed it. We missed the flight this evening. And because we are camping, we have side work, which means dinner and getting the fire going and getting camp straightened out. We're going to call a little early before dark this evening. But I think you're taking the kayak out tomorrow?
Absolutely.
I'm going to get up early and get out and do some fishing. So we got one more day. See if we can put some more fish in the sand for you. Bert and Robert went across the street here and went kayaking. They dropped me off. I'm over Surfside. I'm going to do a little fishing until they get back. One thing you can keep in mind is a lot of people don't think about it, but when you're surf fishing for a few hours, that surf and that sand, those shells, they really dull your hooks. So don't just leave your lines rigged up. You may think you're saving money that way, but that's not happening because what it's costing you fish. Here's the first fish of the morning, a little blue runner. I can catch one a little smaller than this. I might use them as bait. Nice little flounder here. Bluefish, get things started. Not really what we're looking for, a little southern whiting. If I take off running, follow me.
Whoa, Robert, come here.
Robert, get those! I got it. I wonder if this one wrapped up in that one. I think this one might have wrapped that one up. You got a different stroke. Yeah, it's different. Come here. I'm on the other side of the gun. You're a crossfish. You got two on. Up, he's going up. Let me shoot us. Hold on for your life. Get in a minute.
No, oh, what?
That quarter? That's not what you would do.
I hope so. Whatever I got is
You got a big, I think these are both big rays. I'm gonna do this stuff. I'm gonna go land it. Get back. I got me a big old southern ray here. Definitely hooked up nice. Good fight. A lot of fun. Gonna get back in the ocean. Had a little help from my friend Robert here. big old stinger on it. Big old whiptail. There you go. That was funny. I was into that other one, and while I was into that one, the other rod holder just pulled over in the sand. We barely got down. I had to run down into the surf side to grab the other rod. It's going out to sea, but see if we can get this one in here on the beach too. That one's bigger than the one I got up there. Yeah.
Ah, broke it off.
So we ended up leaving Hatteras with a score to settle, but that's okay. We pulled off a 3-day weekend for a few tanks of gas and a couple of C notes. That's pennies on the dollar for what most pay to visit this area. There are usually camping options near, if not right at most Class A fishing destinations. So get out that old tent and spend some more time where you want to be on the water. Be sure to stop by and visit www.camochairproductions.com to see all the videos in our Frugal Fishing series.